Welcome to the Family Treasure Chest. So I have a very important question for you. Who wants to take control of your financial life, reach your fullest potential, and fulfill your limitless financial destiny? Well, the Family Treasure Chest is meant to do just that. It's an 8-week masterclass, and its purpose is to give your family a firm financial foundation. It's educational, entertaining, and empowering. It has over 100 essential personal finance lessons to let you and your family get your finances to the next level. There's a new video every single week, and each module has its own worksheet. You get weekly homework because the whole point of this is to get results, all right? This isn't just something you passively listen to. You take action during the classes, you take action in between the classes so that you can actually see beneficial financial results in your life. You may want to know about me. My name's Joey. Nice to meet you all. I went to University of Pennsylvania. I'm a Wall Street veteran, so I worked at Morgan Stanley and Merrill Lynch. I'm a CFA charter holder, which is kind of the gold standard in the finance industry. I'm an award-winning author, the author of Pirates of Financial Freedom, and now I'm an entrepreneur. So during the 8 weeks, you're going to discover how to have a millionaire mindset. You're going to discover budgeting secrets, the dangers of debt, and how to improve your credit score. Preparing for the worst, investing fundamentals, what everyone needs to know, planning for large expenses such as college and cars and a home, how to increase your income, everybody wants to know about that, and lastly, goal setting and achieving your financial destiny. And there's a free copy of Pirates of Financial Freedom. This is a book that I wrote. It's the first ever personal finance adventure novel. It has action, humor, and romance while teaching over 100 money lessons. It's won a couple awards and great reviews, and it also got a lot of press. So you probably want to see the Family Treasure Chest in action, so let's actually look at some sample clips from the course. Before you buy something, just ask yourself, is this a need or is it a want? And then you can use the 10 times test. This is something that I developed myself, and here's the basic idea. If you're buying something that's not a need, meaning a want, ask yourself, do you have at least 10 times that amount in savings? Let's take an example. Let's say you want to spend $50 on something. Okay, you're spending $50 on something you don't need. Times that by 10, so that equals $500. So do you have at least $500 in savings? Okay, if the answer is no, what that means is you're spending more than 10% of your lifetime savings on something you don't even need. Now, does that make any financial sense to you? You're going to spend more than 10% of your whole life savings on something you don't even need? No, that doesn't make any sense at all. Even if it's a candy bar, let's say you're going to spend a dollar on a candy bar. Do you have at least $10 in savings? Okay, it works all the way down there, all the way up to, let's say you want to buy a Ferrari for $300,000. All right, that'd be pretty cool, right? Using the 10 times test, you have at least $3 million in savings. Okay, so these are the types of ways that you can kind of think about money, and you can just use that 10 times test whenever you're about to buy something. So, can you take control of your budget and become a master of your money? High five your neighbor and say, yes, I can. All right, perfect. So now, go ahead, write down, what actions are you going to take based on the lessons you just learned? What are you going to change about how you look at things moving forward? Go ahead, take your worksheet and write it down on the piece of paper. But first, I want to talk about accountability because you guys had homework last week, and I want to make sure that you actually did it. So, how did it go? Right? Did you monitor your self-talk? Have you been doing that? Have you improved your behavior in terms of thinking and acting like a millionaire? You wanted to take one action towards your SMART goal. Remember, you set a goal that you want to accomplish by the end of this 8-week program. Hopefully you took an action towards that. That was the assignment. And you were supposed to read the first 5 chapters of Pirates of Financial Freedom, which hopefully you enjoyed. So I want to take this time to start off, and let's go ahead and take a couple minutes and share how the homework went, what actions you took, and what you're hoping to get out of this week. So go ahead and do that. So now that you know what his dance is like, we're going to have a dance competition. That's right. All of you guys are going to try the MC Hammer dance, and whoever wins is the winner. And everyone wants to be the winner. I know you do. So let's go ahead, take a minute, go ahead and pause the video. Have your little dance competition, MC Hammer style, and we'll see who the winner is. And finally, pay off your debt and never get into debt again. Okay? Because what can happen is you can pay off your debt, and then, a couple years later, you're back to where you started in even worse shape. All right? So, lesson number 1, don't get into debt in the first place. Or lesson number 2, once you pay off the debt, don't get back into it. And you do that by managing your money well. We're going to say some possible limiting beliefs that you may have, and we're going to break them. We're going to break those limiting beliefs right now, okay? Sit down, and I want you to kind of lean forward in a depressed kind of body language way, right? So, you're leaning forward, you want to frown, you want to put your head down, think these negative thoughts, right? So kind of get in that kind of a state. And now I want you to repeat what I say in the way that I say it. But I can't become a millionaire. Okay, great. Now I want you to stand up, right? I want you to have this very confident body language. I want to put your fist out in front of you in a powerful pose, okay? And I want you to repeat what I say in the way that I say it. I'll become a billionaire. Great, now give yourself a round of applause.